Okay, so let's say that we want to be able to do this calculation. How many moles are present in 875.0 grams of aluminum? So the first thing that we need to be able to identify here is that I have a given amount. That's my given, all right? I am told that there is 875 grams of aluminum, okay? And I also know that my given is 4 significant figures. Remember the rules, trailing zeros count if there's a decimal, so there's 4 significant figures there. So I'm going to start with what I'm given, 875.0 grams of aluminum, and I'm using the AL symbol for my aluminum. Now, to go by the rules of setting up dimensional analysis, I am going to set myself up a grid much like this, and I am going to divide by the average atomic mass, also known as the molar mass of aluminum. So that means I'm going to have to go look up the molar mass of aluminum from the periodic table. Okay, so I have looked that up and it comes out to 26.98 grams per mole. So what that means is that for every 1 mole, here's my conversion factor, for every 1 mole of aluminum, I actually have 26.98 grams of aluminum. That means that I'm now going to be able to, I've got it all set up. I want to be able to calculate and I just got the wrong color there. Let me get the right color. There we go. I want to be able to calculate. And in this format, to calculate, I'm going to multiply the things on the top and divide by the things on the bottom. So 875 times 1 mole gives me 875.0. And then I'm going to divide that by 26.98. All right, so now what about our unit label? The grams have canceled out. All I'm left with is moles of aluminum. So I'm going to do my math to figure out exactly what I have. And so when I do that math, I come out with this number in my calculator, 32.431. And it goes on, but that's really all I need because remember, I have to round my answer to 4 significant figures. So I'm going to round off right here in between the 3 and the 1. So my ultimate answer comes out to 32.43 moles of aluminum, Al, and I have labeled it correctly.